Get your broke ass off that motherfucking couch and go get some motherfucking money. You only live once. You shouldn't be trying to live average. You should be trying to flex. So get your broke ass up and go spend some money. You gotta spend money to make money. So when you spend that money, make that shit right back. Flip it. Do it. Catch a motherfucking pack. Matter of fact, hit me up. I can put your broke ass on the payroll. Cause me and my team winning, man. We doing this shit, man. We ain't beef with nobody. Y'all beef with us, you hear me? We out here getting money. So if y'all hating on the paint on us, 10B, wife snatchers.
I'm a young nigga, bout a motherfucking buck. Fuck niggas on trailers, why I keep that 30 clutch. You niggas sucker, y'all ain't really bout your buck. I'm a true lean sipper in the back, pulled up. I've been down for a minute, but enough is enough. All brown lands on an all black bus. Run clean, behind 2 tents. All black windows with the all brown lens. You fuck niggas need to stop bringing my name up and get up out your bankroll and get your damn change up. I don't fuck with niggas, they be quick to change up. OTB and double G, niggas throw them things up. I watch my niggas cause you know how niggas change up. I spend 5 and make 10, that's that plug talk. I'm leaning in a party, nigga, that's that mud talk. 2 bands on some glasses, I got perfect vision. I be cruising around town while the window tinted. And if I say I'ma take your hoe, then I fucking meant it. I ain't never had a job, but I stay paid. Took some losses coming up, look where I'm at today. Soon as the bag touch, we bag it up and get it gone. We all got flips, nigga, fuck an iPhone.